So guys, here I'm gonna explain what we did, and maybe you got a little bit lost. So first thing we do our request. There's a part in search, as you can see from here. Search. It goes splitting by comma. It's not. Now it could be a post method, but whatever. That's what we have. That's not a problem. We're gonna have a calling of this URL subject plus each object. There you go. I have a max call the search.length. So every item it's gonna do a call for that, like URL plus the value here, ML or Java or whatever. So it does this call and gets this response. What it does, create an array here, search terms an array, and push each one of it, this guy, as a search term. Okay. So our context.session, we put a search term every time with the request. And what we have here, the search terms, everything goes search. Okay. So we put everything goes search in the request too. So what we do, we basically could keep only this guy, the context.session. You're gonna have multiple values like search, the okay, the column, and the request we did like ML, like Java, SQL, or Python with the response. But what we put here, all the search terms, also all of them, each search, because if we loop this guy, we find this guy. Okay, that's the main thing. Search terms is gonna be an array, and this guy here is not an array, so we have to put this guy here in the context. That's okay, whatever. In the process, that's what we do here. We have the search terms. Search terms. We're gonna loop it for each search term, okay, and we get our item, then we get our search term. So each one has its own search term. So what we do, we get the context.search our search term. It's just something very simple to do, okay? And what we create, the book response, okay? That's our, here we could even have, instead of query, we could put path, and here outcome, okay? We just change it. That's our book response, book results. We can call it book results, book results. Then, oh, and the assigned message, here is book results. That's what it is, okay? So calls the external libraries, put it is in the context and put into the response. So the assigned message basically creates the payload response. There we go. Could even define more stuff here, whatever. Save. Deploy. Confirm. Once it's done, we go testing. Thanks for watching.